Kumba Julia manla usnam ban aila ki samla ki badan sap hakakam yele kai sport kabalong ru kum karinsan biki khenna kinyo ban sai madan ki sap ki phong ka office u district sport officer Ri-Bhoi district hagjinya trailang bat ka athletics committee jong ka RBDSA kala shimbyang ya ka sinjam ban pilong ya ka limpung district level inter school athletics meet araja apusan balai sngi linter pala play perdaya ka minta ka sngi hamadan NSCA paham siam ya katay kalimpong yele ka sport lawan ban play perda minta kasngi de uba Eric Dekhar BDO ko umling CNRD blong kumukong san bat uba RB Shadap President ka Ri-Bhoi District Sports Association kumusimbot kong san ha ka jingdon lang uba Bobby L Nongbet District Sport Officer Ri-Bhoi District ki principal ki nong hikai bat ki khina skul ki balaya Shim Bynta shirahem ha katay kasngi Hagatay kalimpong lawan ru banya Shim Bynta kumba khandai spa iwengut ki khina yale kai kinthai bat shinrang nakilai phulriu tuli ki school ba pher na kaleng ka Ri-Bhoi district ki ban sa aireng haki jingle kai ba pher haki ni kilai sngilen te
Bynta Maring from St. Alfred and Define Inky from St. Vandarisha Mary Nombet from St. Michael High Secondary School, Vanda Shisha Anand, and Alfonso.
Technical action for the 60.
Congratulate him and his team for working so hard in bringing laurels to the state, not only in one field of sport but in many other different fields as well. So, Ri-Bhoi district has become one of the main centers for excellence in terms of sports because of the presence of officers like Bobby and his team. So, I would like to request all of us to please give a big hand of applause to Bobby and his team, who is the president of the Ri-Bhoi District Sports Association, and the secretary also is here, Bakin, if I get the name right. He's a district level sports meet. I would like to mention that being a sports person myself, I realize that it takes you to places and it helps to build perseverance, it helps to build integrity, and it helps to build discipline. So all the hard work that you have put in preparing for today's meet, and with the skill that the gods above have blessed you with, I'm sure that this will take you a long way in achieving not only the goal for today, but in achieving life's goals as a whole. Secondly, I would like to mention that all your hard work will pay off today, whether it's in winning or it's in defeat. But all this will teach you humility, and like I had mentioned, it will teach you discipline, and it will teach you how to get along without having so much of indiscipline. So this will help you achieve greater heights. So please remember that as academic excellence also is important, so is physical education, because it's not only the mind that has to grow, even the body has to grow along with the mind, and that will take you to different greater heights. So on that note, I would like to wish each and every one of you a very, very eventful and a very, very meaningful sports meet. And also remember that God has given you the skill, and today is your podium to showcase that. So make use of it, and always, always strive for the greater good. And with these few words, I would like to again, one last time, wish you all the very best, and God bless. And on that note, I would declare the District Sports Meet 2025 open.
In 2024, last year, we were placed third in the overall medal tally and also won the best athlete in the under 16 category for girls. We will be having the coaching camp immediately after the meet to prepare for the state level competition to be held in Shillong soon. I would also like to wish, first of all, and the most important athletes, the best of the efforts in the next 3 days. And also, there's a saying I always believed: success is a journey, not a destination.